Okay, today's goal is to build a pyramid with coding. So it should look, when you're done, something like this. Alright, we got 6 levels. You can choose the blocks of your choice, but I just happen to make a pattern for Veterans Day. Alright, now to do it, here's how we do it. We go to the coding. Alright, so you have your on-chat command, you set it to what you want. You come over here to blocks, scroll down, get this one that says fill with. Alright, so I grab that, and you can replace it to hollow, or replace, either one's fine. I just chose hollow, doesn't matter. Alright, so we're going to want this squiggle line means how close to you. I want it one away from me on the same level. Okay, and then our first line is going to be, our first level's 10. It's 10 across, so we're going to go to 11 here and 11 here, and that's what I did. You can see right here, and I chose whatever I wanted. Okay, now then we add the same thing, so we can just right click, duplicate, and it'll give us the same one. And what we did was, okay, so I was at 1 0 1, then I went to 2 1 2, and then I went 11 0 11, 10 1 10. So my next one, to follow the same pattern, is going to be, this one goes up 1 3, this one goes up 1 2, this one goes up 1 3, and notice this goes down, and the middle one goes up because we're getting to a new level, and this one goes down. So this is going to be 9 2. These numbers should be the same. 9. Alright? And then you keep going until your pyramid is done. So if I ran this one right now, I should have 3 levels. Alright? This means it's going to be on the same level as me, 1 up, 2 up. So let's see here. We go run this, find the new spot. Letter T opens up the commands, easy. So 3 levels, just like it should be. Alright, keep going until it has a pyramid, and then record it and turn it in.